Okay, Jeremiah from ENS, and you can see over here I've visited the AOTA booth and I got a bite to eat for food and stuff, and I ran into this dude. This is Ben, and Ben has a company. Yeah? Okay, do you want to do a side shot? Here. Oh, that's a better shot. He's photogenic too. He's awesome. And seriously though, Ben actually has something. It's Shenzhen Land Display Photoelectric Co. And did I get it right? Did I get it right? I got it right the first time. Sweet. Okay. And these panels, what's unique about them is a couple of proprietary things. So this man's super unassuming and he says Ben means slow in Chinese, but it's actually not really kind of the truth. I've figured this out so far. Because he's done a couple of things that make the industry, yeah, perfect. He's got Pingo user manual, LED panel in a frame and a controller. So it's the idea is simplicity, right? The idea is simplicity. Yeah. And so keep it simple. So the simplicity here is there's the control box, right? And that's control box with a computer. Comes up to one of these panels right here. And the panels, what's unique about them is that they are outdoor. So these are meant for the outdoor market, correct? Yeah. Okay. So I'm not the only one talking. Is there anything else you'd like to say? Yeah. Okay, good. I'm going to be the one talking. And in the back here, he's got a locking mechanism that basically, tell me more. Come on, tell me what is this? Okay, what is this?
This is the fast lock.
Yeah.
From the front.
Yeah.
Insert the pin.
Yeah.
And it will loose, and then it will come up. This one will come down.
Got it. Yeah. Got it.
And all we from the real side.
Yeah. Bing. Yeah. Pop.
Yeah.
And can we pop one out? Can we do that? Can we try popping one out? Can you show me? Okay. So for anybody watching this video, why this is interesting is because when it comes to outdoor LED panels, trying to pop the front out normally requires an Allen key, and it means that there's only so tight of, it's called a pixel pitch. Brilliant. So look, it tells you where the pin needs to go. So he pops the pin in there, so it's super tiny. So that means you can have, the pixels can be super close together for outdoor installs. So you just heard that click, everybody. That's the click that you can now pop the panel out. So you hit the 4 of these, the whole panel comes out, and you replace it, and you move on. So it's a genius idea. So he's patented this thing that makes it so that outdoor installs can be that much easier. Okay. Yeah, I'll try to get the camera shot here so it's not so bright. Okay? So there you go. He's replaced out the panel from the frame just by going pin, 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 and there's the locking on the other side. So that's how it works. Just a pin hits the lock mechanism and it pops out. So this, why it's a game changer is it now means that I can go to any wall, right? I can put up your paneling, and then I can grab these, stitch them all together, and can manage everything. Just wow. Wow, wow, wow. So this integrated with what I'm doing with Sam, with the back-end software to control all of this, is like the ultimate in simplicity for outdoor LED signage. Is that pretty much it? So he's got it back on. So in that amount of time, what you did is you went from the front of the screen and you hit the pins and it unlocked everything, pulled it out, and now you've replaced it out with another panel, so to speak, and you're back up and running.
And you can see there's single cable connect.
And simple cable connect. So it's a single cable to connect the panels one to the other, right? And the simple cable connect carries the data plus the power all as one. So you can do one run for electrical and networking and put this all up like that. Okay, you win the award of the day. Now, is that what this is? Is that this whole thing built with that right now? Okay. Can he throw the ball again at it so we can just see it? Yeah. Can you throw the ball at it so some of you at home can watch this? So that whole panel there is made to be durable for outdoor NEMA compliant for, you know, I believe it's NEMA compliant, meaning it's water compliant. And look, there you go. So that whole wall, I could go into in a gymnasium now with like no skill. Well, look at the back of this. This is those same panels, right?
No, not the same.
Oh, not the same, different panels, but same idea. It's going to be the same idea, right?
Not same idea.
Oh,
This is,
okay.
I only have 4 babies.
Oh, you have 4 of these in the world kind of thing. These are so new that it's different backdrop for this, but this is what it's going to be, right?
Yeah.
Mass production, this is what it's going to look like.
This is the first
right?
baby for Pingo.
Yeah,
Pink and gold.
yeah. That's the first ping. That's what you're going to call it, Pingo? Okay, Pingo. In and go, Pingo. I love it. That's so simple. Oh, you're going to change this whole industry. Okay. For the record, now I'm the first one to interview Ben that is going to change this entire industry. So, okay, I'm going to do a walk back just to give you an idea of the rest of their booth here. That was awesome. That is really, really, really interesting. So, I love going around to some of the smaller booths here of the entrepreneurs on the fringe that sometimes come up with things that you go, wow, this is going to change the entire industry. It really is. So that's a really interesting piece of engineering. Okay, I'll stop being so excited and I'll do a walk around now. Okay, and I'm getting filmed myself, so okay.